A family, all about the cement industry. Presents to you. Beware of these problems inside cement factories. When the vibrating screen is working, the engine cover has fallen off, so the cover screws need to be checked, stopped, and made a cover for the vibrating screen, and installed again. The flexible connections at the entrance and exit of the vibrating screen must be checked. Cracks in the body of the vibrating screen are one of the most common problems. Watch the material leak from the entrance to the vibrating screen, and the reason is a cut in the flexible joint. Therefore, you must check daily on the special flexible links vibrating screen. This roller mill, a Tox coal mill. Type 250. After a check was made in the area of the leak, it was noticed there is worn out, sealing ring segment of mill scraper, due to excessive clearance and outlet material. This problem will be explained in more detail in another video. Therefore, a weekly check should be done on this area, to measure the clearances, and make sure that there is no significant wear. That is why we must ask ourselves, why is there significant wear in this sealing ring segment of mill scraper, at such a short time? We note in this video there is a expulsion, misalignment, in the rubber belt. At conveyor take-up. The take-up conveyor is the process of adjusting the tension on a conveyor belt. This process prevents damage to the belt and other equipment within the conveyor system, and prevents premature wear of components. We note in this video, there is a expulsion, misalignment, in the rubber belt. At clinker belt conveyor. This belt conveyor, main feed belt for cement mill. I will show you some videos of problems with rubber belt conveyors. Have you ever experienced these issues while working in a factory? We note in this video, the failure of the rubber disc return idler. We all know that one of the most important features of idler is to protect the rubber belt from damage. In this video, we notice the material leaking from the rotary kill. Leakage often occurs from the inlet of the rotary kill. In this video, discusses the importance of industrial safety in our daily lives. Here you notice the neglect of taking safety precautions and the big mistake in the process of demolishing the bricks of the rotary kill. In this video, we see a blockage in beltway feeder, main feeder for cement mill. In this video, he shows a blockage in the outlet of the cement mill. In this video, he demonstrates an leakage of the stuffing box for cement mill. In this video, existence of a leak of air slide. Air slide is one of the basic equipment in cement factories to transport the raw material. In this video, it shows a malfunction in the packing machine. We notice that the cement pack rotates in the packing machine more than once. This is often an electrical fault. In this video, it shows a leak in the packing machine. This leakage of packing machine feed area. In this video, it shows the occurrence of a blockage in the bag chopper. In this video, it shows the occurrence of a leakage in the water pump. Some video material leakage appears from different places.